everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. As we know together guys that the dark mode is designed to reduce the amount of light emitted by your phone screen while still maintaining good text readability. Besides making your phone screen more comfortable to use in low light condition, it can also help to conserve your battery life and reduce glare. By enabling dark mode on your phone and setting it to a custom schedule, your phone will automatically switch to dark mode during your chosen hours. This can be particularly useful if a sunset to sunrise schedule doesn't meet your needs. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to custom dark mode schedule on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, the first thing that you have to do is go to settings menu and then you can go to display and brightness. Alright, now you have to enable dark mode first and go to schedule. So here you can custom your schedule about how long light theme or how long dark theme. So here I custom the light theme from 4 AM and dark theme about 7 AM. Alright, you can click OK. So you can custom dark mode from sunset to sunrise. And before it, you have to enable your location first. Alright. The settings of dark mode will customize the schedule that you've been arranged before. Alright, here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.